who have joined us today for this important event, and we have BTG Legal as the knowledge partner.
Lesser energy, it's a huge departure from being a greenfield. Add to this the advantages of environment-friendly processes.
It's a great pleasure to be here today. Thanks to VDMA for giving me this opportunity to talk about additive layer manufacturing. And the subject makes it further interesting to compel me to attend this program.
Hi everyone, Friedrich my name. I was here for the German Consul General as the Major Consul General. Had a great time at the event here, learned a lot. I'm not from the field, but it was informative, it was enjoyable, and I was so happy to see everyone in person